Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Concept is more than a car, it's an Italian symphony of design and speed. With its razor-sharp lines and low-slung silhouette, it looks like it's slicing through air even at a standstill. Up front, the striking Y-shaped LED signature demands attention, while the intricately designed rear diffuser promises both style and aerodynamics. Every inch screams performance, with a boldness that refuses to go unnoticed. Step inside, and the future unfolds. The cabin, a marvel of carbon fiber and Alcantara, features a floating digital dashboard that feels straight out of a sci-fi epic. From holographic interfaces to customizable ambient lighting, this is a cockpit designed to envelop and exhilarate. Lamborghini has blended technology with luxury in a way that redefines the driving experience. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a hybrid V10 powerhouse, generating an astounding 850 horsepower. This raging bull rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers height in a blistering 2.4 seconds, leaving rivals like the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura in its wake. Priced at an eye-watering $340,000, the Huracán Concept is not for the faint-hearted or light-walleted. Maintenance and insurance costs mirror its performance, making this a machine for the dedicated enthusiast. Yet, behind the wheel, the precision handling and electrifying speed deliver a driving experience like no other. Its drawbacks? Minimal storage and a stiff suspension remind you this car belongs on the track, not the grocery run. But that's the essence of Lamborghini: unapologetic, thrilling, and utterly unforgettable.